Hi, I'm Shey. I'm an apprentice at Fuller's Kitchen in Chiswick, and I'm going to show you a dish that I'm doing for my talk door entry. For this competition, they said you should make a dish that explains why you like to cook. And the reason I started cooking was MasterChef. So like,
really?
Yeah, so like when I was a kid, I would just sit in the living room watching MasterChef. Because my parents wanted me to be a doctor, but I like to eat. So it's like the best of both worlds, because it's like you're in a lab, but you're not.
Have you found the course?
I love the course because like my uni day is on a Monday, so I start off the week learning something, which means I've got 4 days to more or less master it and then learn something new, then 4 days at work to work on it. So it's like you keep moving forward.
I've got my own theory of you have lots of bad days in the world, but it's more of a learning day.
Yeah, I agree.
And a good day is when you pull it off and you master it. So I think it's...
I actually prefer the days I don't.
Yeah?
Because on the days you get it right, you haven't learned anything that day, you've got it right. On the days you get it wrong, you've got an opportunity to get better.
You can warm the butter up again and just baste it a little bit. And then what I'd say is that. Yeah. See?
Yeah, they clear up.
See all that clear up?
Yeah.
Right? And then all the fat goes to the bottom. You smell that nutty flavour.
Yeah.
Has that acidity to it. So when you ask me how do you get acid into it, that's how.
Cool.
Yeah. There's going to be more information on the screen to apply to become an apprentice, whether it's a commie chef or a chef de partie. You're going to be given the skills in the development environment, different situations, how to cook if it goes wrong, from pastry to pasta. We're going to pay you, but you can apply, you can be on this. Happy.
Cool, so I've been on the journey of being an apprentice for about 10 months now, and this is my dish for the entry for the talk door competition, and I'm proud of it.
Yeah.